Let's start our countdown with PBA player Raymond Almazan. The Meralco Bolts player publicly apologized on Monday after a viral video allegedly showed him attempting to bribe a traffic enforcer following an EDSA bus lane violation. He admitted the mistake, but the apology did not erase the consequences. Almazan was slapped with a 5,000 pesos fine, a 48-hour community service order, and 1-game suspension by the PBA. The Department of Transportation did accept his apology, but emphasized that following traffic law applies to everyone.
I came here talaga by myself, and then nagpaalam ako sa team ko and then sa PBA na gusto ko talaga mag-apologize about what happened talaga. So, alam kong may mali ako nagawa, and then I'm really sorry talaga.
I understand ang reason niya is nagmamadali dahil may event
sa anak niya sa school event. But you have to
remember na lahat tayo, importante lahat ng oras natin.
Lahat tayo. We're all suffering in traffic. And siya naman, he has a higher degree of responsibility because he is a
known basketball player.
He's a known basketball player, and children will emulate him. Ang daming kabataan ngayon mahilig sa basketball. Nakikita nila, idol nila. But sa ika nga, sabi nila, nakikita mo ang lakas ng isang tao kung paano siya bumangon in times of na maano siya. I'm happy naman nag-apologize at inamin niya.
He realized his mistake.
And walang reason. Lahat ng tao nadadapa. What's important is you realized it, move forward.
Oo, tapos nagbayad siya ng fine.
Nagbayad siya ng fine.
At kudos dun sa mismong traffic enforcers na hindi nagpadala sa, hindi ko alam I'm not sure kung magkano yung halaga, hindi ko narinig. Pero hindi siya nagpadala, 'di ba, doon sa suhol or doon sa bribe na inaalok sa kanya.
Back to back ang mga kudos sa mga MMD natin, kay Chavit din.
Oo. Fairness naman sa kanila. Diba? Kasi dahil mga nakaraang taon, talagang talamak ang mga kotongan.
Nung nakaraang taon, madali magkotong kasi madaming mga tiwali before. Hindi naman lahat. Pero ngayon, nakikita mo yung mindset ng mga enforcers natin, little by little, nababawasan yung mga ganon, yung mga bad
There's
apple.
There's hope in humanity.
Oo. Pati nga sa NAIA, ang dami ng good apples na...
Yes, hindi lahat. And we recognize yung effort na talagang maging, alam mo yun, maging diretso sila at maging tapat sila sa tungkulin.
Basta when you make a mistake, you own up to it, di ba? And face the consequences. Ganun naman kasimple lang yan.